Morning,
Morning.
sir.
Good morning.
You're charged with speeding, sir. Have you been driving for 3 years?
No, I've not been driving in the U.S. for 3 years. No, but I've been driving in Africa before the U.S. So I just get my U.S. license like 6 months ago.
Oh, you celebrated by speeding.
No, I didn't see no speed sign on Harris Avenue, and that was the way from Harris to Providence Place, like towards Providence Place Mall. I didn't see no sign, so I thought that was like 30, the speed limits and something like that. But when the cop stopped me, he told me that the speed limit was 25. And then he gave me a ticket and told me that I was driving 35. So, but he wrote 38 on the ticket.
No, he wrote 35.
Oh, okay. I saw another 38 on the side. I don't know what it means.
The video opens with a man named Sir, who has been cited for speeding. He's a new driver in the U.S., having only had his license for about 6 months after moving from Africa. He claims he didn't see a speed limit sign and believed the limit was 30 miles per hour, not 25 miles per hour, but the officer clocked him at 35 miles per hour. The judge, with a touch of humor, asks if he celebrated getting his license by speeding. This immediately creates a sense of lightheartedness of the courtroom. It's an honest mistake, but is ignorance of the law a valid excuse?
Yeah. Now, you received a driver's license in Rhode Island, right?
Yes.
And you had to study the book, right?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, and then in that book, did you read that unless otherwise posted that the speed limit within the city limits is 25? You didn't read that chapter?
Yes.
Oh, you read that?
I read that, but
Oh, you read it.
there are some other places in
I
the.
think everyone read it, Judge.
Yeah. I read that. I read the
Surviving
book.
bias, the
That's
issue.
why
Oh,
I
But
get
they
my
mean
license.
anything.
You know, but I was with my wife and my 2 babies. They're over there.
Where are
you know,
they?
So I was.
Where are they? Oh, bring them up here. Come here.
You know, I was with all of them.
Get them
you
up
know.
here.
I was with all of them, and I didn't feel like I was speeding because I was just following the cars in front of me. But when he stopped me, I just pulled over. I didn't know why he stopped me, but he told me that I was speeding.
Yeah.
But I was not very looking at my speed.
The judge brings up a key point, the driver's education handbook. He asks her if he read that the default speed limit in city limits is 25 miles per hour, unless otherwise posted. Sir admits that he did. This is where the defense begins to crumble. To justify his actions, he brings up a new element, his family. He says his wife and 2 young children were in the car, implying that he wouldn't endanger them. This is a common emotional plea, but the judge is not easily swayed. He asks to see the family. What do you think? Was this an honest mistake, or was he trying to get out of a ticket by bringing his family into it?
When I was driving.
Yeah. Were you in the
He was in the car too.
Were you in the car with him?
Yes, I was in the passenger seat.
Oh, did you tell him to slow down?
Well, I didn't feel like we were, exceeding too much over the limit.
Not too much.
No,
No,
like
just a little.
Yeah, just a little. I didn't.
No,
I-
she.
Now we found the honest one. He wasn't looking at the odometer. She felt it.
Who else was in the car?
It just the baby.
Oh, now
was in-
endangerment of a child as well.
Yeah, and he wouldn't. Well, I mean, he wouldn't go over the speed limit,
So-
excessively, knowing that the family was in the car.
I got it. All right. So he endangered your life, the mother of the child, right, and the child. Right? Is that what he did?
No, he did not
He
do
did
that.
not. Okay.
The judge turns his attention to Sir's wife, who was in the passenger seat. He asks her if she told her husband to slow down. She admits that she didn't feel they were exceeding too much over the limit, just a little. This adds another layer to the story. It seems they both were unaware of how fast they were going. The judge then points out the presence of a child in the car, jokingly accusing Sir of endangerment of a child as well. Sir denies it, but the judge's sharp wit highlights the seriousness of the situation, even in this funny and theatrical courtroom.
And who's this little guy?
This is our other son,
What's his name?
Menelik.
Hi. Look up here.
Look at the
Say hi. Hi. All right, come up here. Bring him up here. I want to ask him a question.
Watch your step in the middle.
Over here. No, you stay there. You get back over there. I'm going to ask you two questions, okay?
Okay.
And you're going to say one or the other. Now, we're talking about your father, right? Now, you're going to say guilty or not guilty. What do you say?
Guilty.
Guilty. An honest boy. Shake hands. Good one. Okay, you can go back. It's official. You are guilty.
The judge's final witness is Sir's little boy, Menelik. He brings the boy up to the front and, with a kind smile, asks him to answer a simple question: guilty or not guilty? After a moment of thought, the little boy says in a clear voice, "Guilty." The crowd bursts into laughter, and the judge's expression is priceless. It's a moment of pure, innocent honesty that completely undermines the father's defense. The judge shakes the boy's hand and calls him an honest boy. It's an unforgettable moment that proves even a child can see the truth.
He doesn't know what he's saying.
Well, you have a wonderful family.
Thank you.
I'm going to give you credit for your good driving record back in Africa.
Thank you.
Okay? Just be careful down there.
I will.
And you have a very honest young man as well.
The judge, with
Good
a
luck to you.
smile, says, "It's official. You are guilty." Sir tries to argue that the boy didn't understand what he was saying, but the judge laughs it off. He acknowledges Sir's clean driving record in Africa and, with a final gesture of kindness, dismisses the case. He tells him to be careful and thanks him for having such an honest son.